but get it here and you'll... Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my perm set video that I just posted, which if you haven't, what are you doing? Like, go ahead and watch that video before you watch this one. If you already watched it, then you know that I was sent some products by Creme of Nature. But in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a little peek at how the rest of the products work on my hair. I've actually used most of these products before and I loved it. So I wanted to definitely come on and show you guys the results that I get when I use them. And I'm actually more impressed this time than I was the last time. The one product that I did not use was the gel. I can't remember the name of it right now. It had too much hold. Like, it took me a good 3 days before my hair was as voluminous as I like it to be. So this time I did not use the gel. I just used the leave-in, the curl cream. Yeah, really, that's it. The leave-in and the curl cream. And these are the results. So if you guys want to see how I got these curls and what I use, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and it is mostly dry because I used this like awesome microfiber towel that I have. And I'm not even gonna bother re-wetting it. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Curl Repair leave-in. And as you can see, it has a thick, creamy consistency, so it's really easy to work into my hair even though it's not like super wet. And I'm just gonna take a good amount of that because I am working on 1/4 of my hair, so this is like a lot of hair in this section. I'm gonna use as much product as I need and just rake it through with my fingers, making sure I'm like spreading the product as evenly as I possibly can. Now I'm taking the Hydrating Curling Cream, and this stuff is thick. Like, it is super thick. But for me, I love thick products because those are like the most moisturizing for my hair. So I'm basically gonna do the same exact thing, and I like this method because to me it's so much faster than what I normally do. Like, instead of working on tiny sections, I'm taking a big chunk, using a lot of product and just getting it through with my fingers. In the end, I'll go through and like more thoroughly spread the product, but for now, this is perfect. And as you can see, the product just like soaks right into my hair. Now on top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Essential 7 treatment oil just to seal in the moisture. And as you can see, my curls are like already coming into form. They're just not as clumped as I would like them to be. So I'm basically gonna just go ahead and repeat that process all throughout my hair. Put in the leave-in, the curling cream, and then the Essential 7 treatment oil on top. Now, once I finish putting the product in, this is when I'm gonna go in and like clump my curls. I'm taking the same half of my hair that I just did, and I'm gonna take smaller sections this time and use my Denman brush and just clump my curls together. And some people don't like the Denman brush, but for me, it's definitely something that I need to give my curls the definition that I'm looking for. So I don't have a wash day that does not include my Denman brush. As you can see, my curls have clumped together so nicely, especially compared to the side that has no product. Now this is what my hair looks like after about 10 minutes of diffusing. It was nighttime, so I didn't want my hair to be too wet with product. And this is what it looks like the next day. As you can see, it's still super shiny, super defined, and it is big just the way I like it. Like I was saying before, the Shine and Hold Control Gel had so much hold that like right now, a day later, my hair would still be looking like it's glued to my head. So I just decided that I'm not gonna really be using gels like that anymore, but look at this volume, y'all. Anyways, that's pretty much my little overview of the products. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you should stay around and watch another one because like you're already here, right? Just go ahead and watch this video.